Hello, this is Dawn Grant with your 15 Minutes of Inspiration to kind of inspire you for your day, to give you something to ponder over before you start your day, and maybe give you even an opportunity throughout your day to work on some part of yourself to help you to accomplish an understanding, a deeper understanding of who you are, how you see things, how you perceive things, what's important to you, and even your evolution of yourself, because you've got to know that every single day you are perfecting yourself, or at least you're given opportunities. And today's quote is, "The spirit, the will to win, and the will to excel are the things that endure. These qualities are so much more important than the events that occur." Vince Lombardi said this, an NFL coach. But you can look at that also in life. Maybe there's days where you don't feel so well. Maybe there's times where you don't bring the best you to the situation. Maybe there's times when your team players, your friends and loved ones, maybe aren't feeling as at their best either. So as a team, you aren't putting your best foot forward, and maybe you don't go about the day in the best way that you could. But you have to have that spirit. You have to have the will to do the best you can do in each moment, in each experience, in each segment of time. So if you're looking at it from a sports perspective, then segment of time would be, if we look at football, it would be a quarter, it would be a half, it would be an actual game. And since I work with golfers, then we look at each hole. You could break it down even to each swing, each hole, each round, each tournament, each day. So no matter what it is, whether it's sports or in life, you have to go into it with a positive attitude about yourself, about what you're looking to accomplish, about how you define excelling, how you look at winning. So the spirit is the attitude that governs your actions. It's a feeling of having a passionate desire within you to do something well. It's that good, positive attitude that governs your actions. And then the will is when you're determined.
Dawn Grant Mental Training and Hypnotherapy is the place to go if you are interested in having ultimate peak performance both in life and in sport. You don't have to be competing for a gold medal to benefit from training your mind. There are endless perks to understanding and using your mind more efficiently. You will be free of stress and anxiety, have greater focus and attention span, tune out distractions, feel more confident, have a peaceful, positive, and productive mindset, boost your energy and stamina, have more fun, and experience more joy. Dawn Grant is an expert on the mind and has made her training available to you via an extensive video library, which you can access at www.dawngrant.com. You can now quickly and easily gain a greater understanding of your mind while mastering skills, techniques, and mindsets for optimal success and outcomes. Sign up now to get the most out of yourself and your life. www.dawngrant.com